Bowers & Wilkins 805D5 Review. Best premium bookshelf speaker for audiophiles? If you're looking for a compact bookshelf speaker with high-end audiophile technology, the Bowers & Wilkins 805D5 is definitely worth a closer look. But with its premium price, is it really worth the investment? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The 805D5 is part of Bowers & Wilkins 800 series diamond range and combines a 25mm diamond dome tweeter with a 165mm continuum cone for mid-range and bass. The speaker is built with serious attention to detail. Its cabinet uses matrix bracing, an aluminum spine, and a curved structure designed to reduce unwanted resonance. The tweeter sits on top of the cabinet, helping create a more open and precise presentation. In terms of specifications, the 805D5 has a frequency response of 42 Hz to 28 kHz within plus or minus 3 decibels, with bass extending to around 34 Hz at minus 6 decibels. Sensitivity is rated at 88 decibels, while nominal impedance is 8 ohms with a minimum of 4.6 ohms. Bowers & Wilkins recommends amplification between 50 and 1000 watts into 8 ohms, so choosing a suitable amplifier is important for getting the most from these speakers. One of the biggest advantages is the compact bookshelf format. You get high-end engineering without moving to a large floor-standing speaker. For the best setup, B&W recommends using the dedicated FS805 stands, but there's one major drawback: the price. The 805D5 is listed at around $15,000 per pair in the US, and that's before adding dedicated stands and the rest of your audio system. So, who is it for? The 805D5 makes sense for serious audiophiles who prioritize premium construction, detailed sound, and a compact high-end system. For most listeners, however, much cheaper bookshelf speakers will offer better overall value. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the Bowers & Wilkins 805D5.